Hello and welcome. My name is Kira Oliver. I'm going to be your hostess and moderator for a very special evening. With me, I have our executive chef, Christopher House, and also Alexandra Dusenberry. She is our registered dietitian. Now, what are we going to be doing? First, and most important, just kidding, chef, we have this very special cocktail. And then, chef, tell me, what else are we going to be doing?
Our first course, we'll be doing an appetizer of heirloom tomato, cucumber, watermelon with vanilla gastrique. For our entree, we have the King Aura salmon with a corn relish and a tomato remoulade. And last but not least, our chocolate mousse with Marcona almonds on top.
That sounds so yummy. But, Alexandra, what else is good about this?
Well, believe it or not, but delicious, beautiful food can also be extremely nutritious. So I'm here to share all about the vitamins, minerals, and what makes these absolutely gorgeous dishes so nourishing for you as well.
I'm so excited. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.